Infrared heaters. Types, principles, and advantages. This video presents all the information you need to know about infrared heaters. Watch further and learn more about what is infrared heating, operating principles behind infrared heaters, types of infrared heaters, advantages of infrared heaters, and much more. Chapter 1. What is infrared heating? History of infrared heating. Chapter 2. What are the operating principles behind infrared heaters? Electromagnetic waves. Infrared waves. Classification of infrared waves. Radiative heat transfer. How do infrared heaters work? Chapter 3. What are some industrial uses for infrared heaters? drying and curing with infrared heating. Welding and joining with infrared heating. Embossing and laminating with infrared heating. Types of industrial infrared heaters. Quartz infrared heaters. Ceramic infrared heaters. Metal-sheathed infrared heaters. Frequently asked questions. How does infrared heating deliver energy more efficiently compared to conventional heaters? Which types of infrared waves are used in industrial heating applications? What are the main types of industrial infrared heaters and their ideal uses? How do infrared heaters contribute to improved air quality and operational cost savings? Which industries benefit most from infrared heating technology? What factors should be considered when choosing an infrared heater for a commercial garage or workspace? Chapter 4. What are the different types of infrared heaters? Electric infrared heaters. Radiant gas heaters. Radiant tube infrared heaters. Luminous infrared heaters. Infrared heaters can additionally be categorized according to the wavelength of the infrared radiation they produce: near-infrared or short-wave infrared heaters. Medium-wave infrared heaters. Far-infrared or long-wave infrared heaters. Infrared heaters can also be identified based on the materials used in their construction. Here are a few examples. Quartz heat lamps. Carbon infrared heaters. Ceramic heaters. Up next are some types of infrared heaters classified by their specific use. Construction heaters. Over-door heaters. Garage heaters. Warehouse heaters. Chapter 5. What are the advantages of infrared heating? The advantages of infrared heating include conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right infrared heaters manufacturers for your needs.